Hey everybody, back with another review today. Today we're doing something a little different. We're doing a knife. I actually collect knives every now and then. I've got a little safe full of just some knives that I find for good deals. This past weekend, well, Friday, I found something for under 20 bucks. It's a Coast. It's kind of a local company. I'm sure it's probably made in China, but their company is based in Portland, Oregon, which is local for me. Got it for 15 bucks. Amazon is about 20 to 30 bucks. So I figured, hey, why not give it a shot? One of the things that caught my eye on this guy was it's a blade assist, which is you can just flick it up pretty easily. I have my most recent knife is this SOG, and this one takes some effort to get it out. Probably couldn't even do an accurate display. Actually, there we go. This one is a little bit harder to do. I believe this one you don't need any assistance. Some of the features about it is it has thumb studs, just as most EDC knives do. It's got blade assist, like I was saying, which is for a faster open. Max lock, so it's got 2 locks. It's gonna be interesting to see how that's like. And it's got a 3-position knife clip, so you can move the clip if you wanted to. I'm a righty, so it's probably gonna be righty out of the box. So let's go ahead and open it up, see how it is. This will be my first Coast knife. So I figure it can't go wrong for 15 bucks, so let's try it out. These guys also have a lifetime warranty, which is kind of cool. So at least you're not SOL if anything goes wrong with it. But yeah, first impressions. There's the lock here. Once you push that up, there's a lock icon. I don't know if you guys can see it. And there's the main lock there. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Wow. Lock on. Pretty solid. 15 bucks gets you a sleek everyday carry, lifetime warranty, flick assist, 3-position knife clip. I think this is a solid knife. Probably gonna carry this for a while. I gotta admit, the blade assist is pretty sick. I mean, you'd have to use minimal effort for this to go up. It goes up by itself. You kind of just start it, it goes up by itself. It's a nice change of pace from having something that you really have to use your wrist and get it out to something that you just push and it goes. It's kind of satisfying. But yeah, this max lock feature is pretty cool. You can have it in closed position on lock. It doesn't budge. You don't have to worry about dropping it, the spring going off, opening by itself. It's pretty safe. Open position. Obviously it has the standard lock there. Put the max lock on and this, yeah, it's staying there, which is cool. It's a double safety feature. Makes it twice as safe. Most people. And for Coast, the max lock option is only available with blade assist knives. So you're looking for a blade assist knife, expect to see this max lock. The blade is made out of a 7 CR17 steel. It's about 3-inch blade. The overall length is 7.125 inches. Closed length, you're looking at a 4.1 inch, but fits in my palm comfortably. Weighs 4.8 ounces, 136 grams. So it's a nice little thing. Just can't stop flicking it. My final thoughts. It's kind of just like a grooved plastic. It's got a nice fast deployment. It's got the dual locks. The the max lock is really awesome. I don't know, I think that's cool. I've never seen anything like it before. It's pretty sharp. It's lightweight. So if you're looking for a cheap everyday carry, under the $20 price point, the Coast RX300 would be the way to go. Now this is my first day with this, so I can't really speak on, how easy it is to sharpen it or anything like that, but just out of the box, I think this thing's pretty awesome. Yeah. This concludes my Coast RX300 review. If you guys liked the video, please subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment. Tell me what you liked about this video. Tell me what you hated about it. Any feedback is positive feedback to me. But yeah, hope to do more of these in the future. Thanks for watching.